So I want to show you guys how you can take the digital notebook resources that I provided you in Google Classroom and put them into your own Google Drive so that you can change the things that are in the files or create your own digital notebook and make it basically your own. Because right now, when you click on this, it is only going to allow you to look at it. It's not going to allow you to change anything or do anything. And so these digital notebooks, there's all kinds of different folders that you're going to want to have access to. So what I would do in order to fix this is that I would go here and then I would want to download it. Now, I'm going to try to adjust my screen so you can see it's preparing the download and it's going to be a zip file. So that zip file is going to create a dialog box up here at the top that says changes you made may not be saved. You click leave. And then down here, I've got the zip coming up. So it's going to take a minute to get ready. You can see it's working. Okay, so now that it's ready, it's officially downloaded to my computer. So I'm going to go to my drive. I am going to go to New. I'm going to go to File, Upload. And since you downloaded it, look over to the left, you should have Downloads. And you would see digital notebooks. So click that, click Open, and then it gets a little tricky again. You can see that down here it's doing its thing, uploading an item, digital notebooks. It says it's complete, so I want to click on it. So this will come up and you're going to want to click Open with the zip extractor. So a lot of steps to take, but it's worth it because then it's yours. So it's checking it out. Up there is an ad that says open, don't pay any attention to that. All right, so what we want to do is over here to the right, we want to extract. So it's going to work its time for a little bit. And you're just going to let it go. And it's going to work on getting everything together so that when you do go back to your drive, you should finally see a note. See, I've got two already. You should finally see this in your Google Drive folders. And then you'll have access to do whatever you want to it. It'll be yours. You don't have to worry about messing up my copy. So that is how you do it.